In this video, we'll show you how to transfer Tracks for Africa maps to your Garmin GPS. This video is specifically for Mac users. Here's the list of videos you should have watched in order to proceed with this tutorial. The links are in the description. At this point, you've purchased Tracks for Africa maps and installed both BaseCamp and Map Install, as well as the Tracks for Africa maps. Firstly, plug the GPS device into your computer. The on-screen instructions will show you how to do this. Now you need to open Garmin Map Install. In the drop-down menu, you should see your GPS device and its inserted SD card listed as no name if you've inserted one. If you want to install maps on the device, then select the device, otherwise select the SD card. Click on Customize. Now select the T4A Travelers map and click on Send Maps. Click Confirm to start the transfer. The transfer should only take a few seconds. When the transfer is complete, you can click on Done to close Map Install. That's the end of this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Here's some videos to watch after this one. The links are in the description.